speed 85 WPM, be ready 5 seconds. Madam Speaker, security of our passengers has been of prime concern to us. I am pleased to inform that I intend to complete the unfinished task of installation of integrated security system at all 202 identified stations during 2012-13. Additionally, escorting of trains by RPF has been extended to almost 3,500 trains. It is also now proposed to integrate the RPF helpline with the All India Passenger Helpline to facilitate much faster response to the security needs of passengers. Madam, Railways must possess modern, well-trained and equipped disaster management machinery. The rescue and relief teams for the accident sites need specialized training where they can be engaged in hands-on drills. I plan to set up 3 training centers named as safety villages at Bengaluru, Kharagpur and Lucknow. The National Institute of Design at Ahmedabad is internationally acclaimed as one of the foremost multidisciplinary institutions in the field of education, design and research. I had occasion to visit this institute with a view to harnessing their expertise in design so as to leverage it for bringing out design related improvisations in the facilities available to passengers and other rail users. A dedicated railway design center is proposed to be set up in the National Institute of Design campus with an endowment fund of rupees 10 crore to be utilized for developing concepts in various areas such as station architecture, coach layouts, luggage storage in coaches, toilets, ticketing, kiosks and online services, freight service system, etc. I am concerned and I am sure that so is the country that the standards of hygiene and cleanliness need to be improved substantially. I am not prepared to accept the situation as it is now and all out efforts would be made to improve the standards of cleanliness and hygiene on trains and at the stations within the next 6 months. This is a very specialized activity which comes under the core area of housekeeping. Indian Railways is duty bound to provide high standards in both, as this is giving a bad name to the otherwise efficient rail system. I propose to set up a specialized housekeeping body to take care of both stations and the trains. Indian Railways has always been alive to its social responsibility towards ensuring comfortable train journey for differently abled persons. Besides providing several travel concessions to such persons, Indian Railways has taken initiative to start manufacturing especially designed coaches having ear-marked compartments and toilets adapted to the needs of differently abled person. Each differently abled friendly compartment provided in specified coaches has a berthing capacity for 4 passengers including 2 attendants along with toilet and other amenities. Indian Railways has so far manufactured about 2,100 specially designed coaches. It will be our endeavor to have one such coach in express train. Besides, all Garib Rath rakes are provided with AC compartments for differently abled persons in the power cars. Efforts are being made to ensure ease of access to platforms and other areas at stations for differently abled persons. Given the fact that catering is a passenger service, there is an urgent need to redefine railways' approach towards catering and to address demands of the entire spectrum of passengers. The need for visible improvements in the service through pantry cars and base kitchens is a priority since expectations of young India are high and they expect services, especially on premium trains, to be of international standards. I therefore propose that reputed professional agencies which are provided such services internationally be engaged through global tenders for pantry cars and base kitchens under departmental supervision and management. By engaging such specialized international professionals, a benchmark shall be set for modernization and upgradation. A pilot project will be launched on a few premium trains to introduce international expertise on Indian Railways for catering services.